Hi, I'm Tom Elliot with John Deere, and today we'll talk about subsoiling. Now, applications for subsoiling would be hard pans of trails as well as tree lines. But before we start subsoiling, we need a tractor. So I'll start with a 2025R compact utility tractor. Now, this 2025R is a 25 horse with a hydrostat transmission. Now, packaged with this tractor is a hydraulic loader with a 49-inch bucket. So this hydraulic loader model of choice is H130. So we've got the tractor, we've got the loader, now we need a subsoiler. Well, Frontier has a subsoiler that will penetrate 24 inches deep in the ground. 24 inches is perfect for ripping tree roots in a tree line, as well as ripping the hard pan in a trail. Why would we rip a hard pan in a trail? If we want grass to flourish, that's where we'd want to rip the hard pan to get the water down to the roots. Nice, healthy vegetation. So let's just see what this subsoiler can do. Here we're using the subsoiler to rip the roots that are migrating out from these trees to keep this tree line in check so it won't rob moisture from our pasture. Frontier has more than 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it is built to be, thank Frontier and your John Deere dealer.